the best free video editors for 2021. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your videos for absolutely free using these free video editors, all without watermarks. So without any further ado, let's jump into the first editor. Number one, we have capwing.com. So guys, capwing.com is an amazing video editor that is absolutely free to use and leaves absolutely no watermark on your videos. So when you come onto their website, over here you can see that they offer powerful track management, accessibility for all, easy import media, hundreds of templates, and you can literally work on your videos from anywhere in the world. So essentially, you can just simply upload your media over here, and no matter where you are, you can edit your videos online. And I think that is absolutely amazing because not a lot of editors offer that particular service. Now scrolling down, over here we can see all of the features that they offer. So now what I want you to do is that I want you to click on start editing, and once you click on start editing, after that wait for a couple of seconds, and then this sign up page is gonna load up. Now once this sign up page is gonna load up, after that you can simply sign up for absolutely free, but just wait for a couple of seconds because their website is under heavy load sometimes, so sometimes you might need to wait for a couple of seconds for their sign up page to load up. So once you've signed up, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So over here from now, you can basically, upload your content and start editing. So for example, I'm going to click on add media, and then I'm going to click on, click to upload or add from Google Drive or Google Photos. I'm going to click on click to upload, and then from over here, I'm going to pick something like a picture. So I'm going to pick the cat queen picture because that's my favorite. Now after that, once that loads up, I can just wait for a couple of seconds, and then from the left side I can add text, I can add layers, I can add images, elements, audios, scenes, plugins, and so much more. So guys, that is basically how capping works, and you can just simply double click and start editing your videos and add subs as well if you want to. So guys, that is basically capping, and now we're gonna move on to the second editor. Editor number 2. So we have lwks.com. Now guys, lwks.com is an absolutely free software that is gonna let you edit your videos with all the features of a professional editing software, but all for absolutely free. Like for example, we have Premiere Pro, we have so many more softwares. This is gonna provide you all of their features but at no cost, and I think that is absolutely stunning. Now they have been featured on some of the biggest articles, some of the biggest blogs, and they have edited some of the biggest movies as well. So now what I want you to do is click on start your edit. It's free, and once you do that, after that is going to take you over to their sign up page. Now once you sign up, you will see their dashboard, and you can basically start editing like over here in this display. Like they have all the good features in their $0 plan, and then also over here you can see some testimonials, and their video editor is really easy to use. And once you sign up, after that you can basically get started from their guide within a few minutes. Now over here you can even see if you were to pay $40 per month, you can get yourself a lot more features, and then if you were to pay $390, well then you can actually get a lot more features as well. So definitely it is worth it if you have the financials to pay for it. So just sign up, and after that you will be good to go. So now we're gonna move on to the third editing software, number 3. So at number 3 we have DaVinci Resolve. So guys, DaVinci Resolve 17 is basically a state-of-the-art video editor that has been used by some of the biggest Hollywood movies and some of the biggest editing studios. Now what do? They basically provide you with a world-class editing interface, and they don't charge you any money for it. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single cent to use this particular software. Now over here you can even see how people are using DaVinci Resolve for their workflow, and you can do all that good stuff like color grading with your production, subtitling, anything that you can possibly think of, you can do that. Now after that, scrolling down from over here, you can see that you can edit, and then after that you can cut color, fusion. There are just so many options and so many features available in this particular software that honestly you are not going to run out of features anytime soon. Now after that, scrolling down even further, you can see some more features and some more tools that they basically offer for you guys to basically edit if you are a pro user. So scroll down even further, and then we can basically get started or use any one of their basically editing softwares for ourselves. So scroll up, and now from over here you can simply download this software for absolutely free. So click on what's new, And then after that, wait for a couple of seconds, and then you can simply download this right now onto your Windows machine or your Mac OS. So once you do that, you are going to be done with the whole process, and you can simply start editing ASAP by using their software. And there are literally hundreds of tutorials explaining this complete software for you guys. So guys, that is basically all that you need to know about DaVinci Resolve. And now we're going to move on to the fourth editor, which is Shotcut. Now guys, Shotcut is a very light software, and you can do a lot of editing using this particular software. So by using this software, you can actually get started pretty quickly, and this is not very intensive on your computer as well. Basically, like, this is a very light software, and honestly I find this to be the best one if you don't have a fast computer or if you don't have the latest graphics card or stuff like that. So definitely you can try this out. You can simply click over here to download this onto your computer quickly, and then after that get started editing videos. So guys, this was the number 4 editor. Now let's jump on to the last editor we have for you in this video, HitFilm Express. So guys, HitFilm Express is going to be the tool that is going to be the last editor that we have for you over here. So guys, this editor is like very fast as well, but the thing is, this is perfect for beginners, film students, gamers, YouTubers, or any creative without a budget, because this is absolutely free, and the features they offer are like over here. Like, they basically give you a very nice timeline, a very nice project panel, and almost all the interface that Adobe Premiere Pro offers you as well. Now over here you can even see some of the best features, like they give you full 2D and 3D compositing, 410 plus effects and presets, full video tutorials and projects, unlimited tracks and transitions, and this is available for Windows and Mac OS as well. Now after that, you can even see some of the games that have been edited using this particular editor, and those edits look sick as well. So like, definitely you can download this for absolutely free by clicking on download for free, and then after that you can literally get started. But then again guys, if you have some money to spare, what you can do is that you can simply come on to google.com and you can type in Premiere Pro. Now once you type in Premiere Pro, after that simply open up the first link. Now guys, this is the industry leading software, and almost all the Hollywood movies use this particular software. Now this is not free, this actually costs you some money, so I'm gonna like show you their pricing right now. So like, simply click on the free trial from the top right, and then after that, that is gonna take you over to their free trial section. Now from over here you can see that for the first 7 days it is absolutely free. Well, then after that they charge you basically $3 per month. So guys, I think that this is, you know, like very suitable for anybody who has some budget but needs the best quality. So guys, again, if you have $20 per month, well then you can definitely take full advantage of this particular software too, and I would honestly recommend this to anybody at any time of the day. So like, they even have some more softwares for you guys to use as well. So like, definitely you can expand upon your particular work area and make really high quality video. So guys, this was basically the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.